I bought this giant plastic Clever-made storage bin a couple years ago, and it's literally been a life changer for 3 key reasons. Reason number 1, the storage capacity. Since this crate can hold up to 62 liters of volume, I usually just keep it in the trunk of my car and use it to store and organize different things that I would usually just throw in the back. And it's really useful, especially for small objects like sports balls, because then I can keep it in this crate and it can stay contained within the crate instead of rolling around like it normally would. As you can see, I also use this crate to store all of my shopping and grocery bags so that the bags not only act as an additional soft cushion for anything that I throw on top of the crate, but also so that I have a centralized location to store my plastic bags in, and I can retrieve them very easily whenever I do need to reuse them. The bin has so much space that I can not only use it to store my plastic bags and throw things on top, but as you can see at the very base of it, I also use it to store my car towels and also my jumper cables in case anything does happen. And it still has loads of space to carry more things. Reason number 2, the portability. This giant plastic storage bin can not only hold a lot of things, but it's also fully collapsible. And you can take it down and set it back up in literally a couple of seconds. And reason number 3, its sturdiness. I not only use this plastic storage bin to store things and leave it in my car, but I actually use it on the regular to hold and carry my groceries up to my apartment. And even though it's made fully out of plastic, it is incredibly sturdy with a maximum capacity of up to 100 pounds. And because I eat a lot and buy a lot of groceries, I carry some serious weight in this crate, and you can safely say that it's been tested before on multiple trips. So if you're looking for a simple but life-changing storage solution that can hold a lot of things, is extremely portable, and is strong enough to carry all of your groceries and more, pick up this giant Clever-made plastic storage bin for yourself today, and you'll never go back.